Are you tired of watching your dreams slip away while others seem to effortlessly achieve theirs? You're stuck in the daily grind, drowning in debt, and wondering if you'll ever break free from this financial nightmare. You're not alone. According to recent statistics, over 70% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, struggling to make ends meet. But what if I told you there's a powerful secret, shared by two of the world's most influential minds, that could change everything for you? Joe Rogan. If you want to be free, you've got to take control of your finances. It's the only way to escape the rat race, the only way to truly live. That's Joe Rogan. And he's not just talking about money. He's talking about unlocking your financial freedom. The kind of freedom that lets you live life on your own terms, pursue your passions, and enjoy the fruits of your labor without the burden of financial stress. Imagine a world where money is no longer a constant source of anxiety, where you have the power to choose how you spend your time, where you go, and what you do. Tony Robbins, financial freedom isn't about being rich. It's about living a life of purpose, fulfillment, and true wealth. The kind of wealth that money can't buy. Today, we're diving into the wisdom of two of the most respected voices in personal development, Joe Rogan and Tony Robbins. They've inspired millions to take control of their lives and create the wealth they deserve. And we're about to uncover their most actionable strategies for achieving financial freedom. Strategies that have transformed lives and will help you achieve financial freedom faster than you ever thought possible. This isn't just about more money. It's about creating a life of true wealth, the kind that money can't buy. It's about living a life of purpose, fulfillment, and joy. But most importantly, it's about living life on your terms. Are you ready to break free from the money trap? Are you ready to achieve financial freedom? Then let's dive in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing financial tips, and visit our website for exclusive content that will help you on your journey to financial freedom. This is where the magic happens. Shifting your mindset from scarcity to abundance, from fear to belief, is the first step towards unlocking your financial freedom. But it's not just about thinking positive thoughts. It's about taking action. It's about making the decisions that will propel you forward. It's about believing that you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Imagine waking up every day excited about your financial future, believing that you have the power to create the wealth you deserve. That's the mindset shift that unlocks everything else. But don't just imagine it, do it! What are you waiting for? The time is now.
Most people don't understand the basics of personal finance. They don't know how to invest, manage their money, or even plan for the future. That's why they're struggling. Take control of your financial education. Learn the rules of the game and make informed decisions. You're not powerless. You have the power to change your financial future.
Joe Rogan is right. Financial literacy is the key to making smart choices with your money. It's about understanding how to invest, manage your debt, create a budget, and plan for the future. It's about taking control of your finances and making informed decisions that will lead you to financial freedom. Gratitude is the most powerful force in the universe. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you attract more abundance into your life. It's like a magnet. Start practicing gratitude daily and you'll see the shift in your financial reality. Don't focus on what you lack, focus on what you have. When you shift your focus from lack to abundance, from what you don't have to what you already possess, you open the door to greater opportunities and more wealth. Gratitude is a powerful force. Start practicing it today, and you'll be amazed at the transformation in your life.
One of the most powerful things you can do is create a freedom fund. It's a safety net of 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It gives you the freedom to take risks, pursue your passions, and not be stuck in a job you hate. It's your escape hatch from financial insecurity. Build your freedom fund today. This is crucial. Having a safety net allows you to make bolder decisions, pursue your dreams, and not be held back by fear of financial insecurity. Don't just dream about financial freedom, take action and build your freedom fund today. It's the first step towards a life of true abundance.
The most powerful way to attract wealth is to give back to the community. When you focus on making a positive impact on the world, you create a ripple effect that brings abundance back to you. Don't just think about yourself, Think about others. Make a difference in the world, and you'll see a difference in your financial reality. Giving back is not just about being a good person. It's about expanding your consciousness, aligning yourself with a higher purpose, and attracting more abundance into your life. It's about making a difference in the world and seeing the positive impact you can create.
Don't overthink it, just take action. The biggest mistake people make is getting stuck in analysis paralysis. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Just start now. Action is the key to unlocking your financial freedom. Don't let fear hold you back. Action is the key to manifesting your financial dreams. Stop procrastinating. Start taking small, consistent steps towards your goals and watch the results unfold. Don't let fear paralyze you. Take action right now.
Financial freedom is not just about money. It's about creating a life of purpose, meaning and joy. What do you truly want to achieve? What is your vision for your future? Once you know what you want, you can create a plan to make it happen. Don't just dream about it. Visualize it, feel it, and make it a reality. It's time to define your vision. What does financial freedom look like for you? What kind of life do you want to create? Once you have a clear vision, you can start taking action towards it. Don't just dream, do!
Surround yourself with people who support your vision. Find a community that believes in your goals and helps you stay motivated. You're not alone on this journey.
Collaboration is key. We are stronger together. Learn from others, share your knowledge, and support each other on this journey. You've got this. You don't have to do this alone. Connect with others who are pursuing financial freedom. Share your struggles and victories. Build a support system that inspires you to keep going. Together we can achieve anything. Remember, you have the power to create the financial freedom you deserve. It's not a pipe dream. It's a reality that's within reach for anyone who's willing to put in the work and make the necessary shifts. Don't let anyone tell you it's impossible. You've got this. Start today. Take action, shift your mindset, embrace gratitude, build your freedom fund, give back to the community. And most importantly, never give up on your dreams. The only thing stopping you is you. Break free from the money trap and claim your financial freedom. What are your financial goals? What actions will you take today to pursue them? Share your story in the comments below and let's support each other on this journey to financial freedom. What are you waiting for? Let's make it happen. Pause 3S. As we wrap up this journey towards financial freedom, we want you to know that we're here to support you every step of the way. MRA, =PIP. We are an educational channel, not just a finance channel. We believe in the power of collaboration and community. We understand that you might not have the time or resources to start your own YouTube channel, but you might have valuable insights and stories to share. We're always willing to collaborate. If you can make a YouTube video, send it to us. We'll take care of the rest. We'll write the contract, upload it to our channel, and split the ad revenue 50/50ths with you. And if you ever decide to open your own channel in the future, we'll give the video right back to you, and it will be all yours. We're committed to helping you share your knowledge and experiences with a wider audience. Together, we can inspire and empower more people to take control of their financial futures. What are you waiting for? Let's collaborate and make a difference together. Reach out to us through the contact details in the description. Let's turn your ideas into reality and support each other on this journey to financial freedom. Thank you for being part of our community. Keep striving, keep learning, and keep growing. The power to change your life is in your hands. Let's make it happen together.